So how do you know if your air conditioner system is working efficiently or not? Well, the biggest way to tell is look at your electric bill. If your electric bills have been $100, $200 for years and years every summer for a monthly bill, and all of a sudden it doubles, then you might want to get your system checked. The reason that air conditioning systems can increase your electric bill is if they're not tuned properly, or if the compressor, which is the heart of the system, starts to wear out, it will pull extra amps every time it runs. And in the Houston area, that system's going to run a lot, and if it's pulling extra amps, that's just going to make your electric bill go higher and higher. If your air conditioner breaks down, if your heater is not working, if you're just not getting the performance out of your system that you want to, call Air National Texas at 281-251-3143. Or you can visit us on our website at airnationaltexas.com. At Air National Texas, we create your comfort zone.